guys, welcome back to Hook It Bag. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet cute little butterflies that you can attach to a hat or a scarf or a blanket. So they look like this. They have little spots on them. And all I'm going to be using is Red Heart yarn, which is a medium-sized yarn. If you don't have this, don't worry. Use whatever yarn you have lying around your own home. And I'm also using a 5mm crocheting hook. So this butterfly is very easy, very simple to make. I'm going to teach you step by step what to do. If you like what you see, like my page, subscribe. Let's get started.
So after you've made your slip knot, take the yarn and wrap it around in a circle until it's dime sized, and then stitch once through. So we're going to make the bottom wings first, and the bottom wings use the triple crochet stitch, and we're going to do 7 triple crochet stitches within one loop, and that one loop is the loop you made when you went through the dime sized circle. So first make 6 triple stitches. Your last triple stitch is actually going to be 4 crocheted chain stitches, and you tie it down into the loop to finish off the wing. I'll show you exactly what to do. I know it sounds complicated. So to make your next wing, just stitch over once into that dime sized loop, and from there you're going to do the triple stitch again. You're going to do 6 normal triple stitches all within that loop that you just made, and your 7th is going to be 4 chain stitches that you connect down to that loop. So once you've done your bottom wings, you're going to start to work on your 2 top ones. So stitch over once into that dime sized loop, and for the top wings you're going to do the double crochet stitch, and you're going to do 5 across. So the first 4 are going to be done normally, where you double crochet into one loop, and then the 5th one is going to be a chain stitch where you chain stitch 3 times and then go into the bottom loop. So repeat this process once more for the last wing, and then the base of your butterfly is all done. So finish off the base of the butterfly by stitching over once to your left. That's going to keep this last wing you did from flipping. You want it to be flat. So go ahead, tie everything off, and I'm going to show you how to do the abdomen and the antennas of the butterfly. So pick a color of yarn that's different from what you did as the base of your butterfly, and then change stitch 10, and then all we're going to do is tie off in a loop around the abdomen of the butterfly and cut those antennas. Then we're going to create little spots on the butterfly. So pick a totally different color of yarn than you've been using and double thread through a yarn needle. Pull small stitches through the wings of the butterfly. I'm doing 3 stitches for the bottom wings, 2 for the top. And make sure that your stitches are not pulled too tightly or you won't be able to see them. Leave them a little bit looser. Make the butterflies in all of your favorite colors. Then choose a blanket or a scarf that maybe needs a little bit of extra flair and sew on the butterflies. Isn't that cute? Be sure to show us your pictures in the comments section.
Oh, hey guys! I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this crocheted butterfly. I love teaching you guys the steps to do it, and I am going to teach you how to crochet these beautiful little roses in our next episode. So stay tuned. In 2 weeks I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. But if you like what you saw, be sure to give my video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you back here very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.